嗨，宝贝们，宝宝帮你们今天再念一本书好不好啊？我们今天来念 Good night, Good night, Construction Site. Good night, Good night, Construction Site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trunks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get a job done, load by load. Whoa, the sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trunks to end their fun. So one by one, they will go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy head. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, Crane Trunk rests one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He will stay down right on its mark. Then off to bed, it's almost dark. He slowly folds his spoon back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says good night. Shh, good night, Crane Trunk, good night. Spinning, churning all day long, Simon Mixter sings his worthy song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the foam that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pulls the load. He is ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shining bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly foam. Shh, good night, Simon Mixter, good night. Dumb Trunks loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Now Dumb Trunks, tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, Dumb Trunk. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. No one as tough and strong as him, but now he is sleepy as can be. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his check. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand. Excavator shapes the land. He digs and lives throughout the day, and now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he rose to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boot, stretches his back. He set his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trunks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing. Team, it's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night, my little baby. Good night. Daddy loves you. Bye. Good night.